in the air, and we have visited this food forest. Uh, this is a food forest, an agroforestry model, which shows this particular space having 1.2 acres, 457 species, and the total number of trees or plants here is 6,50,000. So election flavor in the air, and we can see Che Guevara uh, prominently displayed here, and we shall be venturing in this food forest. Excuse me. All right, so this is what the food forest is. What basically happens is food forestry is an agricultural model which gets a very happy blend of agriculture and forestry combined. It provides uh, an alternative livelihood option in addition to being more closer to nature. The idea is to cultivate crops which are non-traditional crops, like not the normal agricultural crops. But in addition, we can have timber, we can have fruits, we can have vegetables, we can have medicinal plants and various other things. So it ensures that we get multiple crops, multiple products within a given year, and a perenniality is ensured. So this is a spot, this particular place. Art is come out of madness. That's a great brochure. What's your good name?
Abhiram.
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 Abhiram is studying arts,
History.
history,
Third year.
third year history. All right, so here we have it's not that climber, it's Baunia alba. I don't know. Citrus. Then mushrooms. Oh, awesome sized. These are basidiomyces, and just sheer size of it to get an idea. The sheer size, incredible. All basidiomyces, and okay, so these are the honeycombs. Great stuff. Remarkable. Okay, so if we get an idea from here, what we see is we have bananas, we have other varieties, bananas and whatever these different are, I'm not very sure. This seems to be something with medicinal value. So, and then we have Artocarpus. And of course, how can you miss the touch me not plant, Mimosa pudica here? It's just this shy fellow. All right. So this is the study group, and they are all appreciating this wonderful work being done by this college. This entire thing, I'm told, is managed and maintained by the college, and the benefits are utilized in the improvement of the college itself. Students, students. All right. Pardon? Don't run, don't run. All right. How are you connected to this place? Are you associated with this? How?
Natural club. Natural club. Natural club.
Nature club.
Natural club.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Maintaining this day-to-day activities in natural club.
So
These are natural ones.
these are like members of the natural
Natural
club,
club, natural.
and they put in their efforts in this place by maintaining it,
Maintaining.
cleanliness.
Daily cleaning, watering, maintaining all.
But this is a huge area. Do they water every day or so?
There are groups, several groups.
And you get any payments for that? Voluntary?
Voluntary, that's the law.
Obviously. Otherwise, then you would lose the interest. Great.
There are natural hours, voluntary coming the natural club.
And like, is there any criteria that you have to be from science or agriculture background to be a part of this?
No, right.
You could be from any stream of study.
Any
So, what is your stream of study? Your commerce. And you? Commerce. Economics. Commerce. So, mostly commerce and economics. You're looking at the commercial aspect of it in the coming times. All right, so you people are on YouTube live, all right? So any nonsense or mischief that you have done will be reflected all through. What is this one here?
It's a tuar.
Tuar, dal,
Ah, yes.
arar. All right, so this is Kajanus. Kajan. Isn't it? Kajanus. So now I am sure this is Kajanus Kajan. And so we have a mixture here. The lower canopy of banana, Kajanus Kajan, that is the normal tuar dal, pulse. Then we have artocarpus, that is artocarpus, jackfruit.
तो आप मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप करिए इसको
हाँ।
शेयर कर दीजिए।
Surely, ये live चल रहा है YouTube पे, आप अभी आ सकते
लाइव
हो।
भी चल रहा है।
भाई, इतना तो होता ही है. So this Kajanus Kajan. Then we have this
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. But peanut butter is brosh,
अभी आपने देखा वहाँ पे।
bushelia,
Yeah, bush.
busha something. This is Arachis hypogea. Arachis hypogea. Arachis hypogea is a different species, not peanut butter per se. ठीक है, but peanut butter. You are the expert. I'll go by what you are saying. You are the expert. Who is winning the elections? When are the elections? 10th. When are the elections?
कॉलेज इलेक्शन, कॉलेज ऐसे भाई।
No, I'm not asking who is winning. When is the election?
नेक्स्ट मंथ।
Next month. Oh, so decorations are already on the way.
मैं इलेक्शन। कॉलेज इलेक्शन। कॉलेज
This is a different variety. Kajanus Kajan, tuar dal with artocarpus.
चीज देखना था लाइव वो वाला जो मल्चिंग वाला वो बताया नहीं।
And we have this little fencing around here, a little fencing to provide certain protection. And you can see that the fringe area has been cleared off so as to give a good sight of vision of view. Then we have each plant has been given due care by means of mulching and green mulching in addition to other treatments. We have citrus sinensis. We have other variety of moringa citrifolia. Then see, obviously we have just covered only a few species. This is Cerium guava. It should be a little corrected in the spelling, though the plant has, no, it's still there in a very, very small form. Well, benefits of agroforestry benefits are, first, you get the satisfaction of being close to nature, working in harmony with nature, first. Secondly, there is a perennial source of income and crops. Third, the biodiversity increases in that area immediately. Fourth, the local climatic conditions are improved for the good. Further, fifth, it provides you a positivity in your overall outlook, and you start becoming more pro environment. That is, you start behaving in a more eco-friendly way, which of course could be a reason why agroforestry is being taken up as one of those models to enhance the resilience for any communities or any cropping patterns benefits for climate change. Right? These are the honey stuff. I don't know what this one is. Seems like silk cotton. Could be silk cotton.
70 varieties are.
And we have this cotton stuff. Wild boar.
वाइल्ड बोर अंदर घुस जाएगा अच्छा ये भी तो एक ज़रूरी चीज़ है, इसको ही दिखाइए।
देख लिया ये पहले जनता ने. Plumeria cubia. All right, I'm just informed this particular thing is also sponsored by the district's Indian oil dealers. And gentleman here has been very, very helpful in giving us an understanding about agroforestry. He has been with us right since the previous place. All right. So, heading a little bit towards the college to get the vibe and also the looks around it. Election time in VTB College, Sri Krishnapuram, is obviously encouraging a lot of students for participating in this wonderful festival they have. These students are from various streams of study, and they all are working together as eco guides or caretakers for this. They are voluntarily associating themselves with this particular work, and that shows how responsibility is being taken up by the younger generation.
Hello, Sadeep.
And then Sri Krishnapuram Gram Panchayat contributed about 1.5 lakh. And the remaining funds.
So once again we are out here, student food forest of Karnataka. There seems to be a photo session now. So I'll wrap it up. Rather, before I wrap it up, one corollary to go along, that this particular model of agroforestry, food forest, is primarily focused towards production of your own food in the most eco-friendly manner that you can, which not only gives you a healthy food habit, but also assists your efforts, enhances your efforts, encourages others towards a more sustainable way of life in a more eco-friendly manner of life. And now the session that is here is coming to an end. There will be a ritualistic photo session followed by
क्या फोटो लेना है? हाँ सर इधर खड़ा हूँ.
by the time this happens, I'll just cover up the entrance before I lose this stream. So here you see, this was it, the VTB College of Arts and Science.
We are in collaboration with the Kerala State Biodiversity Board and State Saran Gram Panchayat. This project was initially funded about 5 lakhs from the Kerala Biodiversity Board and 1.5 lakhs from State Saran Gram Panchayat. And the remaining funds we obtained through our college management and the sponsorship obtained through the NSS. And the technical support was given by our dear Regiatan and Surya Prakash Etan. They were actually good mentors, and we should able to know about the traditional farming levels, and actually we mix it, the traditional farming culture and the modern. That's why we should produce a lot of biomass in a short period of time.
We are having 15 lines here. In each lines we are assigning 4 volunteers. So main volunteer is there and the sub-volunteer is also there. So about 200 students are involved in this full project, and everyone is getting their chances, alternate chances to take care of this forest. And live mulching is also a major part involved in this. So if any plant is growing above our main tree, we are cutting them off and putting this under our tree, so that getting biomass production is also there. About 4,000 tons of biomass is produced. So yeah, about 1.25 acres of land is involved together in this, and about 457 species are also there, and
170 varieties are also in this. Our major the major problem of this is one solution for 7 problems, and that's a first of all we are look out that the biodiversity conservation, food security, ecosystem restoration, reconnecting the human and nature, water preservation, ecological balance, and social enrichment. That are the 7 slogans that we follow.
drip irrigation. So we are
Here we are giving 7 liters of water per plant per day. Per day 7 liters.
You are giving.
Yeah, by drip.
On the summer season. Only summer.
It is required because the
Yeah,
dryness.
Heavier.
What about the diversity?
so we
Thank you very much.
Age what is the age? Age.
1.5 years.
This project is inaugurated on October 2013.
So we'll take a group.
Who is taking photograph?
From this side.
Quickly, like,
ले लो भाई इधर से लोगे हमारी बंदे कहाँ ले रहे हैं प्रणव ले लो भाई चलो ले
let them come forward. Let them come forward. Come on forward. Come on forward. So the ritual of group photography. Keep going. Keep going.
Break a knee, just break a knee. That's all.
ठीक है. Now this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Otherwise they won't be visible.
Yeah.
This is fine. All right.
हो गया ठीक है ले लिए हो गया
All right. Well, friends, so that marks the end of this little visit here to this particular food forest, and I believe this is a model that should be replicated, and the awareness regarding such models should be encouraged so that we can be a little bit more eco-friendly in our lives. So, cutting out for now from VTB College, Sri Krishnapuram. Till we meet next time. Over and out.